Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for more to destash, and the reason we are doing this is because I don't color in these books enough to justify keeping them. That doesn't mean I don't like them. I actually really do. It's just I have so many ColorIt mandala books, often in duplicates and triplicates because they've sent them to me. So I have quite a few that we're going to destash, and it's going to work just like the last destash. I'll have a form below. First person to fill it in gets first dibs. Pick what you want, as many that'll fit in a flat rate medium box. Now these are way thicker, so you'll probably only be able to get like half as many of the Coloring Heaven ones, so probably 6 to 7. A few of these are not ColorIt, a few are the other brand as well, but we're going to combine them. Alright, so we're going to go through this as quick as possible because we do not want to be here all day, do we? Well, I don't. Alright, so all of them are spiral bound, nice paper. This is Mandalas Volume 7. Now, some of these have been colored in, some have not, so keep that in mind. That one has not. Then we have Volume 3. You're probably wondering why I'm getting rid of these, right? Because I love mandalas. But I seem to gravitate towards Camellia Angel Cova's style. But also because I use glitter gel pens, they tend to work better in her Create Space paper books. On here I have to use markers and I just never get around to it. So Volume 2, as you can see, this one does have something colored in it. But most of these will not be. So, and these can cost you anywhere from 17 to 20 something, Volume 6, depending on which one. This one actually has really pretty ones in here, nice and wide, great for markers. The paper's thick, one-sided, but again, I'm just drawn to Camellia Angel Cova's. And these, like I said, anything that's been sitting on my shelves long enough just goes bye-bye. All right, here's the cute little traveling one. I have not colored in this. This will be great with fine liners or like some sort of bullet nib because they are pretty tiny. All right, then we have Mandalas Volume 5. I did color that one. Now, they're not all going to be mandalas, but I was just saying, quite a few are. I'm basically getting rid of all of my books that are the style of ColorIt. Then we have colorful patterns. Now, other ColorIt books were already done in like a long ago destash, but these are still around. Then I have Colors of Inspiration. This is a little different, but it's one of those ones where you have some interesting scenes. Like I said, they're well-made books. I don't color in them enough. Okay. We're also going to destash Coloria along with ColorIt. Theirs are not hardback, so they're floppy, but they're still good paper and spiral bound. So this is the Mandala Dreamcatcher book. So like I said, we're going to combine the two. Coloria, if I remember right, is no longer printing. Then here's their mandalas. Very pretty ones. Their paper also is a little bit toothier, not as smooth as ColorIt, which might work better for gel pens. But like the gel glitter pens, this is Mandala's Magical Nature by Coloria. The glitter gel pens I like to use will actually clog on the smooth paper. They almost need the Create Space, which is kind of silly. So as you can see, most of these aren't used at all. And then we have Coloria, Mandala's Night. So all black background. Fun, fun. And then that is it. Yep, so that is it for that. We have all these ColorIt books, a lot of them are mandalas. Like I said, in a different destash a long time ago, I had gotten rid of a lot of their regular ones. And then we have the Coloria ones. So yeah, plenty there to choose from. First come, first serve on the list. We will be doing the medium shipping boxes still, so that rate applies. So you have to be willing to pay the flat rate shipping box rate, which is about 17 something and change. And then, like I did with the last ones, you just pay me a little bit of a fee. So with the Coloring Heaven, it was 12 books for $15, and then plus the flat rate shipping. So for these ones, because these books are more expensive, and they cost a little bit more than the Coloring Heaven editions, we're just going to do a $20 flat fee. So a $20 flat fee plus your flat rate shipping to get you 6 to 7. You might even be able to squeeze 8 in there. I would say 6 to 7 without damaging the spiral. So it's still a steal because I think one was colored in, maybe 2, not many. But even if they have a page or 2, these cost you anywhere from 17 to over 20 bucks a book. So if you're paying $20 and getting 6, you can do the math there. That's pretty cheap. So yeah, that is the latest destash. Wishing you all luck. And until next time, take care. Bye now.